or sneeze on our hand or in our hand, because that's transferring all the germs to your hand, right? Right? So suppose you do that, and then someone asks you to hand them something. You are then handing them your germs. Is that cool?
No.
Absolutely not. So we will cough or sneeze in our elbow. Now the trick is to point your elbow down to the floor, just in case something escapes your system, it goes down. You don't want to do this, because if something escapes your system, it goes straight across to the other guest. Is that okay?
No.
No. So we're going to point our elbow down to the floor and cough or sneeze. Allow these ladies to